1-1 pitch to Tony Sanchez. Hits the ball well to right center field. This one's back. This ball's gone. Home run, Tony Sanchez. His second major league home run, and the Pirates now lead it 2-0.
He definitely's got good pop to right center. That ball just jumped off. That easily got out of here. Remember that very first base hit he got out in Anaheim? He drove the ball so hard to right center it stuck itself in the wall. The home run ball has become so important to this Pirate team.